Menteri Rangbak ke Jelau Konrad Kisangma ringkat Menteri Ketenak Tourism ke Sarkar Jelau ba Poling dok hene kesengi kila pelipat ba ye ki Īingsah bala Shna penwandur Itynnad ha ke Shillong ki Mawphlang na ke bentaban Khring ye ki Nongwankai ban sakai pengat. Kita ki jaka sa pengat betip kum ki travelers nest ki don haduk santeli nelor ke jaka bam ban penbiang ye ki jingdon kam jeng ki Nongwankai. Hakini kejuk kesengi Menteri Rangbak ke Jelau la pelat pat baru ia prateli kali ban kit ikinong likai belatip kum ki prime tourism vehicles.
You guys can go. Don't come.
Is what we are leveraging our entire economic model on. Just before this program, I inaugurated the largest. I spoke about what happened in the last 5 years and what the last 5 years have taught us and what foundation. Beginning. You are seeing these 5 cottages, it's not going to end here. I have just told Dr. Vijay that there must be a viewing deck made right behind the cottages there. 5 years will be one of the most defining moments for the state of Meghalaya. What we have achieved in the last 50 years, our vision for the next 50 years will be determined on what we do in the next 5 years. And that is the vision with which we are moving forward, but we can't do it alone. Big states, big economies, speak about their model. We hear the Gujarat model, we hear the UP model, we hear the Maharashtra model. I tell people, no state is the same. And hence, if you try to do a Gujarat model in Meghalaya, it won't work. Meghalaya is unique. Meghalaya has got its own strengths, and hence we must realize those strengths, focus on them, and build our economy in a sustainable manner on those strengths that we have. And if somebody were to ask me what is our biggest strength, I'll tell you, the biggest strength of Meghalaya is its communities. The way in the last many decades and centuries, the way our communities and the social structure in the community has upheld and worked and gone through the test of time to reach where we are today is testimony of how strong this institutional setup is.
And optimize God's gift, which is bountiful. Īingsah kaba mentan